Hello everyone! Today, we're going to talk about an interesting grammar topic, future seen from the past. This structure allows us to talk about something that was in the future at a specific point in the past. Sounds complicated? Don't worry, I'm here to make it easy for you. Let's get started. First, let's understand when we use future seen from the past. Imagine you're telling a story about something that you knew would happen or expected to happen at a time in the future, but from a past perspective. Like this example. Other examples are, I thought she would call me. They say they were going to travel to France. He knew it would rain later. Do you notice something common in these sentences? We're using phrases like would or what we're going to express that future action from a past point of view. Let's break this down with the forms. Using would. Would is the past tense of will. We use it when we talk about an action that was expected or planned for the future, from a past standpoint. For example, I knew she would be there. He said he would help us. It's like standing in the past and looking ahead. We use was or were going to for planned actions or intentions in the past that were supposed to happen in the future. For example, they were going to have a meeting, but it was canceled. I was going to buy a new phone, but I changed my mind. Common mistakes include mixing up the tenses or using the present tense instead of keeping it consistent in the past. For example, here we have two sentences. One is correct and the other is incorrect. Let's read them. He said he will help us. Instead, we have to say, he said he would help us. Now, it's your turn. Let's practice. I will show you some sentences, and you can fill in the blanks with the correct form. You can pause the video so you can answer the sentences. Are you ready? Great job! Let's review the answers. They said they were going to go to the concert. I knew he would come to the party. She thought it would rain today. Very nice job. And that's it. Remember, when we're talking about the future actions from the past perspective, use would or was we're going to. Keep practicing and you'll master this concept in no time. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.